Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for 29 Saturday January, and here we are. Now this first thing that I want to talk about, and there's a logical level for Solana to go and take a rest basically. Now I don't believe that this drop is over just yet, okay? The drop isn't over, and the reason why the drop is not over just yet, this to me doesn't have any strong particular support right now. Where it came and stopped here isn't a very strong level for you to stop. Now the first things first, by the way, I want to say that you are still rejected at the 10 EMA, which is this one. The yellow line that you see right now is what restricting Solana to go to the upside as well. So can it go to the 20 EMA? Potentially could just go a little bit higher, maybe to $111 in the next coming few days, go to the 20, or maybe just go a little bit up and the 20 crawls to the downside, touch the 20, and then you continue to roll even way more over. Okay, now the reason why I'm saying roll over with so many projects is because structure has been lost. The main price level that we wanted to see being maintained has not been maintained, and when you lose that particular price level, that's it. You're going to have to switch your views. You don't, unfortunately, that's just how it is. Now I want to say something though, that if we start to go above $132, then we might not go to the downside. Okay, there is a way you can cancel the downtrend, and that is you go above $159, back test the 145, and then you continue to the upside, because by this you're going to see the 10 going up, the 20 going up, and then the 55 also going up, making that bullish cross, and then you cancel the downtrend. Now, right now technically you are in a downtrend. You've been in a downtrend since November, went down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, potentially a little bit, and then you continue to roll over to the downside. But where are you gonna actually go and stop? Now I'm gonna tell you where. Basically, there are two levels. The first level is this one right here. I'm gonna drop a blue line, which is gonna be $50. The second best level where it's gonna actually stop is at the $22. That's, listen, okay, hear me out. I'm not saying it's going to $22. All I'm saying is where the support are, okay, and this is what it is. So even if you were to roll over, for me the best buying area will be, first of all, the $50. If you're going to lose the $50, we're going to talk about it later. You lose the $50, back test it, the best next level is the $20 or the $22, and that's just a fact. Okay, it is what it is, and that's the where the supports are. And if you lose the 20, then you're looking for the $5, which is going to be a super cheap discount on Solana. Who wouldn't like a $5 Solana? But I'm not trying to say it's going to go there. No, I'm not saying that, okay? Not at the moment. So here we are once again, and yeah, so this was your level of this. There's something I want to check on the FIBS though. So here we are. So this was your bottom right here, $19. Where the hell is the FIBS? All right, so $19 right there, all the way to the $260 right here, and you can already see. Look, guys, where's the 0.618? You can already see the golden ratio lies at this particular level, which is the 0.618. So it's okay. It's okay. On a higher time fib retracements, you are crossing this 0.618, and you still are in a technical journey potentially to go to the upside as well. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know what the hell did I do. Maybe I just draw the opposite direction. All right, so the top here, 260. Damn, what the hell is going on with this? All right, I'm just gonna remove this one right there. Take the fibs once again. All right, so here, the top to the bottom right there, okay? And this is where I'm looking Solana to come down to, which is gonna be the 0.382. That's the best place of support. Do you understand that? And I've already told you that's where your last swing high is as well. So do not forget that. Now the next thing is, even if there's something that I want to tell you though, that you're losing the golden ratio, okay? You're losing the 0.618, which is not a good thing. Look, you broke. I'm gonna zoom in here, and this is why the fibs are always amazing, and they always tell you a nice good story. And that's, you see, $97 is 0.618. Do you see that? the next best level is going to be the 0.786. Now I want you to cross the 0.786 to actually resume the uptrend. Okay, so $151 should be crossed. Remember this. $151 should be crossed. I'm going to repeat that in order for us to actually say that Solana is going to continue to the upside as well. Okay, now the next thing is this yellow line that you see right there, you can already see is resisting the prices. Number one. Number two is the 0.618, which is the golden ratio, also resisting the prices. So you went below the 0.618, you are going back for the retest. Look, you're not even crossing the 0.618 anymore. You are below the 0.618, and that's the reason why I believe that now you're creating a reversal, and the best entry level for Solana is going to be near this $52 region area right there, or potentially go down to the $35, rest there, and then have a nice good bounce from here, and then continue to the upside and resume the bull trend and the uptrend as well. But at the moment, it is downtrend. It is what it is, unless it doesn't, unless we do not break the downtrend. So the downtrend is something like this. So you can even expect Solana to actually move sideways a little bit like that and go sideways and then go down. Who knows, maybe go down to the $71, then move sideways to the $90, and then you go down. Anything like this one can happen, but you can already see, I'm going to tell you this again and again, you're losing the golden ratio, you're being rejected at the 10 EMA. It's not good. I know it pumped by 10%, but it's not that kind of pump. This is not even a pump, by the way. I don't think that's a pump. If you guys think that this is a pump, you gotta really reorganize your investment strategy and the way you look charts and read the chart. 10% isn't a pump, it's just a small pullback. You can say this is a pullback at best. It's not a pump. It's just when you go down, you go a little bit higher and then you continue down, go a little bit higher, then continue down, higher, down. These are not as thrust and reaction, nothing else. So I'm not still voting the Solana to go up, but maybe it could go to $151 if you start to cross $97, go to 109, backtest the 97. Then there's a possibility to go back to 115 and maybe touch this trend line. Okay, or if you cross the trend line, backtest the trend line, then you continue to the $151. That's okay also. Yeah, so that's it. We're going to see what happens in the next future. At the moment, all you need to know is that you're losing the golden ratio and the 10 EMA, and we cannot do anything about it. The downtrend is the favor one. Okay, the better candidate is the downtrend at this point of time. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.